Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a video. An unusual video this time, but before we jump into it, if you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It's greatly appreciated, and I do get back to everybody as soon as I possibly can. Now, without further ado, I suppose, as you can see a slight glimpse of it, we should show off Blood Bowl 2nd Season. Mine's just arrived. I'm really pleased with it. Ordered it from Goblin Gaming on the first day when available to pre-order. Fantastic stuff. A lot of models, a lot of value. I also ordered the Treeman as well to go with it. So, without further ado, I suppose we should have a look what's in the box. So, in the box, you are greeted by loads of plastic. Now, nothing to be scared about here, but we have some really cool stuff. Plenty of sprues to get through though. So you've got 4 main sprues of plastic, which are your teams, but you also have this blue sprue, which is the 2 referees. So 1 dwarven referee, 1 elven referee. Both really cool. I'm really looking forward to getting going with these guys. They'll probably be the first things that I paint up, in all honesty. But everything's colour coded, which is quite handy if you just want to get going. Then after those, you've got things like the trained troll, which comes on 2 sprues, which figuring out which 2 sprues it was when you're not really looking at anything that kind of tells you is a bit of annoyance. So you've got the 2 actual main sprues for it, which will keep you going. Get it built up, have fun with it. You can do some really nice looks with that model alone. Then you have 2 small sprues, which is Varag, the star player for the Orc team. Really cool as well. I'm looking forward to getting painting him as well. So that should be a really nice model to paint. You've got that silver sprue, which is just your usual generic markers, measuring gauges and everything like that. Same as what we had in the last Blood Bowl set. Then you've got 2 sprues of the actual Orc team itself, including the special balls, the coin as well for tokens, so keeps you all going. Then you've got your ogre for the human team, and Griff Overwald, the star player for the humans as well, and then 2 sprues for that human team. Really good stuff. I must admit, you're getting a lot of models for your money with this one. Then underneath that, you've got the generic standard cardboard kind of artwork, which is pretty cool. On the back of that artwork though, so if you want to pick out what team you want, you have them pretty much all listed there. So everything from the Black Orcs to the normal regular Orc team, the Imperial Nobility team, which is a team we've got now along with that Black Orc team, Necromantic Horrors, which are really cool, and I must admit I need to get my hands on those because they can be pretty fun. You've got the Lizard Men, you've got Chaos Chosen team, Nurgling team, you have Elven Union, which are pretty cool, or what they used to be called the Elfheim Eagles, the Dwarven team, the Halfling team, which aren't very good and aren't very strong, but the Treeman comes into play for them quite well, and a load of bits and pieces as well. Really good stuff. Pick out your teams, have fun with it. Underneath all of that, you have a sizable rule book for Blood Bowl. Really good stuff. It is a good size, it weighs a bit as well, so a lot to go through. You've got 2 bags of dice, 1 set for the human team, 1 set for the Orc team. Awesome. Once again, a lot of good stuff. All your bases that you're going to need as well for every player in the box. And then you have this shrink wrapped pack, when I can learn to speak, that has your pitch, your double-sided pitch, and it has the team dugouts as well. You also get the transfers as well for putting your team numbers on, and the instructions of how to build everything, which is going to be needed in all honesty. So study it well, have fun with it if you're getting it, and enjoy building this bumper box of Blood Bowl. Now let's move on to the Treeman. So the Dreamman, one single model, it's a star player, mainly used for halfling team, but it can be used in a couple of other teams as well. So on the instructions, you've got in all the different stats in different languages, and then the instructions how to build, and it comes on 2 sprues. So you also have that little squirrel character, which if you got the latest issue of White Dwarf magazine, you would have got this card with it as well, this acorn the squirrel. It is up to you if you want it to be on its own individual base. It will look a bit weird though, in all honesty, and a bit lost, so have fun with it though. But this Dreamman can make 2 different versions of the same Treeman. Entirely up to you which one you want to use. Both are on screen now, as you can see, and yeah, follow the instructions carefully, have fun with it, enjoy painting it, which is the main thing. Now, I probably will do a painting video on a couple of these packs as well, because I'm really excited to get going with them, and that might be my next task, in all honesty. Right then, I've kept you all long enough. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you very, very soon. Bye bye now.